Hey loves, thank you for tuning in again. It's CutiePie88. I'm here with a headband wig review from Unice Hair. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, I got some color, y'all. So when you open a box, you do find the unit as well as a headband and a package with some goodies in it. Wig cap, a Unice head wrap, and some cute eyelashes. Sorry about my gum chewing, you guys. And another cheetah print headband, super cute. And also a cute little Christmas bracelet. I did give these to my daughter. This is so cute. And look at this color, y'all. So like I said, it did come with an additional band inside, so 2 bands total. This one's pretty cute. I like the pattern and the color. All right, let's hop right into the wig. Whoa, as you can see, this is blonde, you guys. So honey blonde ombre headband unit. Wow. It's much brighter than I thought, but that's not a bad thing. They colored it very well. However, the color does kind of cut off. It's not really faded, but if you don't mind that, I don't mind. It does come with 1 long comb and 2 short combs near the ear, 1 comb at the nape. It does have adjustable straps and also the Velcro strap in the back. It is stitched very nicely. And it's a nice natural density. It does have some layers in there. So let's jump right into putting it on. I did adjust the straps to make it just a tad bit tighter. And I do like to wear a wig cap with my headband units. You just want to protect the moisture of your real hair. I don't know why I was struggling putting this headband unit on. It wasn't the wig's fault, it was me. But here we go. So it is on. I think I pushed it back a little bit more further in the video. But just to let you guys see the density, it's not super thick, but it's not thin. And I wasn't getting any shedding. And the color is very, very gorgeous and bright if you're into this bright honey highlighted color. So this is one of my headbands, a part of a set that I ordered off of Amazon for like $9 for like 12 of them. Gotta love Amazon. And I'm just loving this burgundy for the holidays. So here it is, you guys. I do find that the inside of the unit, I had some space left. So if you can imagine, it was kind of like some space left. You know how you touch back there and it's kind of, you can feel that space. That's how it was. So it's not super tight, which is a good thing. But if you pull the wig back, you're gonna have some extra space. So I think it's medium to large head friendly because I have a really tiny head. So that's probably why I had some extra space back there. So I did go ahead and put some curls in this unit. Had to style this unit. I just wanted to see how the curls would look in this beautiful color. And this unit holds a curl gorgeous, like so well. I didn't even need hairspray. And even though it's colored, it was not crunchy at all. So super silky smooth. No shedding or anything, guys. I wish I could color my own hair like this, but I don't have to. They did it for me. Of course, I had to show you guys how this unit looks in different styles. So I'll start out with the half up, half down style, my favorite when it comes to headband wigs. So this is actually my second favorite. I like the low ponytail to the side. Very, very simple, but makes a statement, especially in this color. I actually like the ponytail low better than I like the ponytail being high with this color. It's just so cute, and it it's cute on my skin tone. I never thought I would like it. And last but not least, of course, I have to show you guys the high ponytail. Now, these headband wigs make it super, super easy to do the high ponytail. And I thought it was super cute, especially in this color. So once again, shout out to Unice Hair for allowing me to show you guys this wig. Check out the information below. Check out this unit on Amazon, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.